how to assemble an interior slip pocket. With right sides together, fold the patch pocket in half, aligning the short edges. Align the top and the side edges and pin the layers together. Sew the top and the sides with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving about 3 inches unsewn along the top edge. Trim the corners and be careful not to cut through your stitches. Turn the pocket right side out. You can use a stiletto or a turning tool to help poke out the corners. Tuck the raw edges of the opening to the wrong side so the fold is even with the top edge. Press the pocket flat, then top stitch the top edge an 1/8 inch and 3/8 inch from the edge. If you'd like, you can add a handmade label centered down from the top edge of your remaining lining piece. We have a variety of labels available on our website. This handmade label is installed with prongs. We have 5 different finishes of labels available. This is our antique finish with our script font. With right sides up, center the pocket down from the top edge of the remaining lining piece. You can pin or tape the side edges and the bottom in place. Top stitch the pocket an 1/8 inch from the sides and the bottom edge. If you'd like, you can top stitch a vertical line up the center of the pocket to divide the pocket into 2 compartments. I'm just going to leave mine as one large pocket. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!